Hello. I will give you a very nice and delicious cookie recipe. Definitely try it. The recipe begins. 3 eggs. 1 lemon zest. 1 pinch of salt. 5 grams vanilla. Half a cup of sugar. We whisk it well. Half a cup of vegetable oil. I lather well with fine sugar and oil. One tablespoon of honey. 2 cups flour. Sift the flour and add it. Flour controlled added. I'm fluttering at low speed. I would be very happy if you write which country you are watching from. It is really exciting to see from different places. One more tablespoon of flour. Baking powder 10 grams. I'm mixing. I cover it and wait 15 minutes. "15 minutes later. The dough has become like this. I'm sifting half a cup of flour. I mix the dough again. If you like the recipe, please don't forget to write a comment. I'm mixing again. The dough should be like this. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm mixing it up. I grease the oven tray very little. You can also use baking paper. I'm pulling walnut-sized pieces from the dough. I'm shaping. It's incredibly easy to shape a cookie. Please don't forget to like and comment. If you want to follow my new videos, you can subscribe to my channel. I use a whisk like this. I shape the cookie with a whisk. Everyone admired the shape. (170°, 338°F preheated oven. I cooked for 20 to 25 minutes. I put chocolate on the cookies when they are hot. Cookies are easy to decorate this way. Drop chocolates. After melting, I shape it with a toothpick. Incredibly easy. How do you think it happened? Waiting for comments. Delicious cookies. Ready to eat. It was great with its appearance and taste. I show you closer. Has soft texture. And an incredibly delicious cookie. Try it and taste it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Stay with love.